How are you? What do you have in your face? What have you been eating? Teddy's all packed up. Are you ready to go to the beach? Hi, Dottie.
We're going to the beach.
Ugh, exhausted.
But to go to church with my mom. We're going to Calvary Chapel, Lincoln City.
Lincoln City. Land of Lincoln. No, that's not true.
The reason we are making the trek out there is because at my mom's church, tons of people have been praying for us since Dottie was first born and first got really sick. And so this huge community we have that we've never met has been praying for us and thinking about us over the last 2 years, and they have been warriors for our children. And the least we could do is go and meet them and say hello and thank them and let them meet the kids they've been praying for, whose lives they literally helped save through their prayers. So we're excited to go.
Road trip!
Trying to get out of the house on time though.
Yeah.
Hey, Dottie!
This is a big deal. We've actually taken Teddy to like a public place. Church.
We always keep this door locked.
Hi, Diddy.
She's watching.
What's his name? Just me is fine.
And stand out in the rain.
Oh, she's going. It's like.
Hey, so we just finished up our first time at church with Teddy. So we're at church with my mom, Calvary Chapel in Lincoln City, Oregon. Great little church. It reminded me of the church I went to in high school.
Like every church from the 80s.
It was sweet. And all the people there have just been amazing. Prayer warriors for our kiddos, and we couldn't be more grateful to them. So it was fun to meet them, and it was even better for them to meet the kids.
Go down to like we get the potlucks. No potluck this Sunday, only the potluck next Sunday.
Yeah, we missed the potluck by a week. We are off to my mom's place, and we're going to cap Teddy, and I'm going to pump, and then we're going to have lunch and head back to the valley.
And connect Dottie to a G-tube, don't forget.
Oh yes, and Dottie will hook up
that's
to
her life.
her G-tube milk